Subscribe to our channel and click bell icon to get latest video. So we have a cardboard and we are using plate to make a circle with marker. We will use a scissor for cutting this circle. So we are cutting this circle half and we have cutted this circle so we have two circles so we have a bottle. We are cutting the upper side of bottle with scissors, so we have two upper side of cap. So we are cardboard hole with scissors. We are making a hole center of cardboard circle. So so we have jointing to upper side of bottle mouth. So this is jointing. So we are trying to make it. So we have made this. So this is a new simple shape. I have made it. So we have a pipe. So we are passing this bottle pipe. So we are passing the side of cardboard circles, another side of circle of cardboard. We made the Firki Charkhi by using thread for flying kite. How to make Charkhi or Firki for kite festival, for flying kite thread. So we are collecting a thread on Charkhi or Firki. So subscribe our channel and click bell icon and share this video on social media with friends. Thank you.